This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Porter. What a view, beautiful sunsets over the water. This is a newly updated spacious open floor plan home with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths plus a large den. Kitchen has all new solid wood cabinets west/soft close doors and drawers, built-in microwave and wall oven. Countertop Touch Cook Surface with no knobs, new matching quartz countertops in kitchen and amp, all 3 baths with new matching vanities. New flooring throughout with freshly painted interior. No detail overlooked. 1 ensuite guest bedroom plus an oversized 3rd bedroom. Master bedroom and bath are spacious, with large walk-in closets and separate tub/shower. Living, dining and kitchen offers plenty of room for entertaining. This opens to an outdoor kitchen and under Truss Lanai looking over the spa/infinity edge pool and directly down the Wide Gulf Access Canal and into the sunset. Large 27 by 24 sunning area at end of pool. Electric roll-down screens for added protection and security. Dock with good-sized Tiki for fishing or relaxing. Built-in generator, heated pool, central vac, lots of new appliances, garage west/air conditioner and amp, epoxy floor, and much more. Tastefully decorated and ready for you. This home will not disappoint. Did I mention the view? For more information, review the details below.